How to clear the cache on your Plex application. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to delete the cache or clear it from your Android itself, for this the process is simple. Long press the app, go to app info, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache and on clear storage. This will require you to log in again. Once confirmed, you can now delete the cache in your device or account as well. For this, log in into your account. Once logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Then click on the settings or the gear icon. After that, go to advanced and there is the option to clear the cache or clear the data. And that is how simply you can clear cache on Plex application. That is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.